गुड न्यूज़, गुड न्यूज़, गुड न्यूज़। अमृता राव ने अपने टेनेंट्स का रेंट माफ़ कर दिया मार्च से जुलाई तक। लोधा ग्रुप ऑफ कंपनीज ने 200 कमर्शियल्स है उनका रेंट माफ़ कर दिया, वो भी 3 महीने के लिए। वाह, कितनी अच्छी न्यूज़ है। मतलब लैंडलॉर्ड्स टेनेंट्स का रेंट माफ़ कर रहे हैं। और ये फ्यू एग्जांपल्स है। तो गुड न्यूज़ क्या है? इंटरनेशनल गुड न्यूज़ है जिसके बारे में मैं अभी आपको बताऊंगी। हे गाइस, वेलकम टू एट अनदर सेशन ऑफ लॉ फॉर बिगनर्स, लॉ सिंप्लीफाइड। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द UK emergency legislation that has been activated, implemented for the tenants in UK at present in the COVID pandemic. The UK government has given notifications that the landlords cannot evict the tenants during this winter seasons till March 2021. The landlords won't have the right to give a eviction notice to the tenants. The landlord will not have the right to go to the court for eviction of the tenants. Those evictions that are to be taking place I have also withheld for now. So it's a good news for the renters in UK. They will not be evicted of their houses. The landlords will have to give a notice of minimum 6 months to the tenants to vacate the premises. Yes, if the landlord goes to the court for eviction purpose, then he will have to give the information regarding the tenant's condition during this pandemic. He will have to give information about how the tenant is coping with the pandemic. There are only two conditions where the landlord can ask for eviction. The first is if there is social disturbance caused by the tenant, or if there is domestic violence, abuse taking place. So these are the two conditions where the landlord will have the right for the eviction of his premises. Otherwise, the landlords will have to wait till March to get their possession of their houses. And in this winter season, the tenants will have a roof on their head. They will have a place for shelter. I hope that the Indian government also takes into consideration and bring in some laws or some emergency legislation to help the tenants of India, where 85% of the population live in tenancy, and with the GDP falling at such a fast pace and people are becoming jobless day by day, and on that if they become homeless, then it would be a severe crisis in India. So at least to preserve that, let us hope that India also brings such changes in its Rent Act. In the next session, we shall see the Rent Control Act. Till then, stay safe and maintain distance and stay healthy. If you found this session interesting and informative, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much.